Before you start using your sprayer, it's essential to set it up correctly to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Always remember to perform the pressure relief procedure before operating the sprayer for the first time or whenever you use it to ensure it's depressurized. First, lock the gun and then switch off the sprayer. Adjust the pressure control to the lowest setting. Now reverse the spray tip and unlock the gun. Hold the metal part against the side of your metal container to prevent static electricity buildup. Release the pressure by spraying the gun into the bucket. And then engage the trigger lock. And then turn the prime valve to the prime position. With the pressure relief procedure completed, remove the tip and tip guard from the gun. Next, place the siphon tube in the paint bucket and the return hose in your metal waste container. Keep the prime valve to the prime position and turn on the sprayer. Increase the pressure control until the motor engages. Allow the paint to circulate through the sprayer until it flows smoothly out of the return hose. Then turn off the sprayer. Hold the gun against a grounded metal waste container. Disengage the trigger lock. Then pull and hold the gun trigger while turning the prime valve to the spray position. Turn on the sprayer. Allow the pump to run until paint starts flowing out of the gun. Then turn off the sprayer. Release the gun trigger and move the gun to the paint bucket and activate the gun trigger. Turn on the sprayer. Allow the pump to run for about 20 seconds. Then release the trigger and let the sprayer build pressure. Finally, engage the trigger lock. Screw the tip assembly onto the gun and make sure it's securely tightened. Now that you've finished setting up your sprayer, it's time to test your spray pattern by using a test surface. Turn the pressure control knob to a midway position while holding the gun 12 inches from the test surface. Disengage the trigger lock and spray a test pattern. If you notice heavy edges or tails in the pattern, gradually increase the pressure and continue spraying test patterns until the hard edges are replaced with a soft, blendable spray pattern. Now you're all set to start spraying. Thanks for watching, and we trust you'll appreciate the outstanding performance of your HVBAN Airless paint sprayer.